here's me, ready to go. And then there's Boring Sword right there. And then the rest of them, well, apart from pregnant lady. And the lovely mother getting her hair sorted. As you can see, the people that are going are all ready. So we will be back to you when we're going. Say bye, Scott.
Bye. Bye, Scott.
And that's it. We are off. We're in the airport bus. There's Laura showing her baggage ready for the plane, even though we've got like another 6 hours to go. And Scott's still looking very depressed and tired. And there's my dad. And there's my mum. So we will get back to you when we're at the airport. So we're all checked in now and walking through the gates of departure at Manchester Airport. As you can see, walking through. So that's all checked in and we're definitely ready to go. So it's now boarding time. Who's excited? Laura's not, she's buggered off. But we're all excited. So, this is us going on the plane. Laura, smile. Where's my dad?
He's somewhere here. You see him? Wait, what's he?
Internal monologue, I am weird myself.
There he is.
Smile, Dad. As you can see, Miss Picky Bum, she's eating cake. Then we've got Mum eating her dinner, and Dad eating his, and Scott with macaroni and cheese, me with mushroom mash peas. So I think we're about half an hour into the plane. It's been a long day so far and we've got another 8 hours to go. Feel for up and sound. And now we're waiting for the tram to take us to the main airport. Ooh, it's been a long journey, but a good one. But we'll update you more when we get to the other side. So, this is the car that Dad has decided to go for. The Dodge Caravan in black. And the rest of the suitcases are here. So, wish us luck trying to find the place where we are getting our villa from. I love red.
Oh, is that one fall instantly? No, oh, to the left.
This is getting out.
Yeah.
You should have thought that.
Hmm?
Please have the seatbelt.
Ooh, has an ensuite bathroom.
Ah, so you have to go through the bathroom. Oh, crickets.
I'll try and figure out going in there, yeah?
See ya. Go on, water if you want. It's cold.
Alright.
Is it warm? Yeah, it's alright actually. Yeah. Little frog is still alive.
Told you, didn't I? Is it? Should get out.
Won't be poisonous, would it?
No.
No.
Not to me, anyway.
Well, I hope not, 'cause I've already touched it now. Mr. Johnny.
Took it from the lady car, that's it. Oh, isn't it?
Are you recording me?
You don't know where you know.
Why are you still recording me? I want to count at 3 seconds. I want to count at 3 seconds.